everyone, it's Katt here and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic and stay safe. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the CLISSORA Cosmetics lip gloss. It's called Glossy Bossy. So we're going to be having a little bit of unboxing video because gusto kong ipakita sa inyo and appreciate the most gorgeous PR package that I've ever received. Look at that! Ang laki! Look at that! CLISSORA. So, ayan. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's my name right here. My first name and second name, Maria Kachina. Taray. So, we have a ribbon here. So, ayan. I'm actually, like, sobrang thankful talaga ako sa CLISSORA Cosmetics because they sent me a PR last January 2020, and then after a month they contacted me and they told me that I am one of the ambassadors, and akala ko may kasama ako lang pala. So sobrang thankful ako kasi ano parang hindi ko expect na parang ako usually kasi 'di ba ang mga products nila is lip product, so isang product lang yung eye makeup nila. So usually kasi ito it's not a tea, but usually kasi pag lip products, mostly mga product ng isang brand, kinukuha talaga nila yung mga plump lips or yung talagang malalaking labi. So, I was shocked. So, alam mo yun, like, thank you. Also, congratulations to the additional ambassadors of CLISSORA Cosmetics. I will post their photos right here. Please check and follow these amazing people. Sobrang nice nila. So, now, let's unbox this baby! Actually, nung natanggap ko to guys, tawan-tawa ako kasi sobrang kapal ng bubble wrap. Hirap na hirap ako siyang tanggalin. And sobrang secure kasi tignan nyo naman yung box. So gorgeous! Okay, so now let's untie this ribbon. Paano siya leno talaga? Kasi parang ribbon cutting chart. Diba? Sakit sa tenga. Of course, there will be a bubble wrap para hindi maggewang-gewang yung mga items. So, here we have a card. 2 cards, actually. So, first here, CLISSORA Crew Brand Ambassador. Ayan, bongga. At the back, there's my name. Ano ba nakalagay dito? Wait lang, I'll just read. Aww, thank you so much, Miss Nix. Si Miss Nix yung CEO and founder of CLISSORA Cosmetics. And here we have a photo of their products. What I'm seeing, they sent all of their products. So here we have my holy grail product from CLISSORA, as you all know. The Get Wing Liners. So, apat sila. Wait, let me check. So, here are the 4 Get Wing Liners. I have 2 browns and 2 black. So, here we have brown in 6mm, the 10mm, and for the black we have the 8mm, 12mm. Ito yung gusto ko talagang itry. Actually, hindi pa ubos yung unang bigay nila sa akin na Get Wing Liners. I'm actually wearing the black one. See that? Sobrang opaque pa ng color niya. I've been using it non-stop if you've seen my Instagram looks. Lahat ng eyeliner na ginagamit ko doon, usually sa CLISSORA talaga. Kasi, for me, madali kasi siyang gamitin. And, waterproof pa siya. And it doesn't budge at all. So, which is good. So, 10mm ata meron ako. Yeah, I have the 10mm in black and brown. So, I have a restock na of the brown one. Pero, I'm very excited to try the 12 and 6mm na Get Wing. So, next is not a product from CLISSORA, but look at that, so cute. Ang dami ako nakikitang ganito. Like, sa photoshoot, product photoshoot. Like, ito yung uso ngayon. So cute. Ay, wala pala siyang amoy. Hindi amoy. Next item, ano to? What's this one? It's an orange bag. I think this is for the Get Wing. I'm not sure, pero let's see. Oo nga, for Get Wing siya. I know. Parang okay to kasi parang hindi nyo nailagay sa makeup kit nyo. Kasi kung ilalagay nyo siya sa makeup kit nyo, kalat-kalat siya kapag, may rumble-rumble ka pa sa makeup bag mo. Pero, eto, like, kukunin mo na lang siya sa makeup bag mo. That's cute. Next item we have here. Ooh! So, this is the, yung Purifying Clay Mask Plus Scrub. Exfoliating and pore tightening for all skin types. So, ito yung nilaunch ng product after the Get Winged. So, I'm very excited to try this kasi mask na, scrub pa siya. And I've heard a lot of some consumers na nag-order sa kanila nito na maganda daw siya. So, next product we have here is the Wonder Balm Tinted Lip Balm Set. Ayan. So, I've already tried this and featured this on my channel. So, ayan. I love this one. Or one of my favorites from CLISSORA also. The next item So, this is one of my holy grail products from them. I'm not saying na ayoko nung lip balm, but I'm not kind of tinted lip balm kind of person. I'm more like a lip tint. Well, actually, this is a lip tint lang, not lip and cheek tint, if I'm not mistaken. Pero yeah, I only have the shade Nicole, Callie, and Ella. But now, I have Olivia and Lily as well. Super bet na bet ko talaga to. And one of my favorite, or my most favorite shade of the sweetener is Nicole. Like, perfect siya for morena if you have dark lips, go for Nicole. As in, like, ito talaga yung parang kumain ka lang ng candy, tapos nagstay na siya sa lips mo. Parang ganun. Ganun yung effect niya. And the last item here is the star of this video. It's their new Glossy Bossy Lip Cream Gloss. The pouch or the ziplock, it reminds me of the Glossier. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. ASMR. So let's open this. Whoa! So they have 8 shades of Glossy Bossy, and oh my god, the packaging is so cute. This is the packaging of the Glossy Bossy looks like. Here on the front, we have the product name. Dito yung description, cruelty-free manufacturing. Dito, it's a photo. Bongga, diba? Sobrang aesthetic. And here, we have parang tagline ng product. The Ready Set Gloss. It claims to be non-sticky formula, high shine or shimmer finish, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, free of parabens, vanilla scent, net weight is 5 grams, and it retails for 249 pesos each. Not bad for a gloss, and ganito siya kalaki, diba? This is the product packaging of the Glossy Bossy. So, sobrang unique ng packaging in my opinion kasi ngayon nakita ng gantong itsura. Especially yung top, yung clear. I don't know if there's a purpose of it or it's just the design. And it comes with a doe foot applicator. By the way, I don't have any product on my lips, nor lip balm or what, but I prep my lips before filming. Let's start first with the shade called Lucid. It's a clear gloss. Honestly, I am loving it. Usually, pag gumagamit ako ng clear glosses, I always use a lip liner para hindi naman para lumaki yung labi ko, to make it more plumpier. So right now, I don't feel any stickiness into it. It's very lightweight actually. I don't feel like parang intimidating siya. Pinipress my lips together. Ganyan. So just a tip lang guys, whenever you're going to use a clear gloss on top of your lip product or as a topper, make sure to not use the lip applicator ng lip gloss nyo. Tendency kasi is magiging cloudy siya, and at the same time malilesen yung glossiness or yung shininess ng lip gloss nyo. So what you should do is apply it at the back of your hand, nasa sa inyo kung gano'ng kadami. Use a disposable lip applicator, lip brush, or use your finger and then apply it onto your or on top of your lip product. If ever nakasanayan nyo na talaga na lip applicator yung ginagamit nyo, make sure na lang after you apply it onto your lips, is smudge nyo sa back of your hand nyo. Make sure walang excess and such. And then, use a tissue paper and then wipe off the excess. And then, yung remaining product nito, i-apply nyo pa sa lips nyo to make it more plumpier at para hindi siya sayang. So, next shade we have here is called Chillin. It's like a rose gold copper with iridescent glitter gloss. I thought it would have like a hint of color, same as the packaging itself. I'm not sure kung ganito ba itsura niya dahil sa iridescent glitters, kaya siguro gano'n, no? But nevertheless, ang ganda niya. As in, reminds me of my grade school days because my dad used to buy me like glitter nail polish, glitter gloss, glitter lipstick, and such, yung mga pang kids talaga. I know some of you may not like this, especially if you have dark lips and morena or colored skin, but to me, honestly, I can wear this publicly. Like, if wala ng COVID, yeah, I can definitely rock this. So, medyo kumalat yung shade na Chillin. I don't know why. Siguro dahil nilagpasan ko or lagpas akong naglagay. But, hopefully, hindi siya visible sa camera kasi kahit anong gawin ko, ayaw niya matanggal. So, another iridescent glitter gloss we have here. It's called the Bloom. So I can determine if this is a rose gold or peach or in between gloss, but nevertheless it looks pretty on my skin. It looks pretty on my dark lips. Also, what I love about the iridescent gloss glitter sa Glossy Bossy ng CLISSORA, ang haba na sinabi ko, is that once it hits the light, ang ganda ng pag-reflect niya. You can't really tell on the camera, but in person, makikita mo talaga. The next shade we have here called the SASSY. Ooh. Para siyang baby pink na may hint of peach. So this is an okay shade for me. Basically, I can't see myself wearing this publicly or in a daily basis, but I can wear this on specific occasion, especially kung anong color ng suot ko. Maganda siya sa skin ko, maganda siya sa lips ko, but for my personal preference lang, I don't think I can wear it like every day. Next shade we have here called Summer. It's a deep coral gloss. This could be one of my favorite and go-to gloss on a daily basis. It's more vibrant and it's more warm. Lakas maka-glow. And hindi naman sa parang pumuti yung ngipin ko, pero parang nag-glow yung face ko when I wore this shade. Like, I do love it. So next shade is called Queen Bee. It's kind of a skin tone nude gloss. I can clearly see myself wearing this gloss day and night, as in like no lip liner, just this gloss right here. Next shade we have here called Mood. It's a copper gloss. So, ito, kakulay niya din yung dark lips ko, but this is more a bit vibrant than the Queen Bee. The last shade we have here called VIP. So, this is kind of a rose taupe or old rose. Ganun yung shade niya. So, packaging-wise, it comes with a pouch like this. Again, it reminds me of the Glossier. Nakakatawa din dito kasi ano siya, yung bubble wrap nasa loob ng plastic on both sides. So, talagang hindi malulukot yung mga glosses nyo. In terms with the gloss packaging, gandang-ganda ko sa kanya. It's simple, minimalist, yet sophisticated siya. Medyo siya lang ng konti. If ever gagawin nilang metallic yung text dito na Glossy Bossy, that will look so good. Tapos, parang rose gold pa naman yung text dito. Parang may nabasa kasi ako na first batch kasi etong ni-release nila. So, basically, sana sa second batch ng production nila is ano na siya, metallic or embossed na rose gold. That will look so saucy talaga. Wala lang dito sa box packaging niya is the ingredients. But luckily, meron sila sa website nila. In terms with the product packaging, again, minimalist, but it has a signature look of CLISSORA Cosmetics. Ngayon lang kasi ako, guys, nakakita ng ganitong product packaging ng lip product. Like, makikita mo clear yung pinakababa, tas makikita nyo dito yung lagay mismo ng gloss is may pa-curve siya, as well as the top. To me, unang tingin mo talaga, malalaman mong CLISSORA Cosmetics to. Parang may pagka-uniqueness yung packaging niya, in my opinion. Then, nakalagay dito yung logo nila, metallic siya. And at the bottom, yung shade and then yung net weight. High quality yung material sa ginamit sa product packaging nila. Kasi, to me, hindi siya mukhang magsispill yung gloss. Okay, hindi naman sa i-compare ko, but I have to say the EB Advance. Sa katagalan ko na siyang ginagamit. Iwan ko lang siya nakahiga, and then natapon siya. Like, as in, naka-close siya. Kinda sad, kasi, ewan ko, bakit ganun siya. Hindi ko alam kung sa wiper. So, in terms with the applicator, honestly, it's okay, but I'm not a fan of it. Kasi, ang liit niya, guys. Hindi ko alam. It kind of reminds me of the EB Advance. Yeah. Ito is the EB Advance and itong kabila is the CLISSORA Cosmetics. So, both identical yung 2-foot applicator nila. So, yun lang naman. Personal preference ko lang naman siya. Hindi ko man sinasabi na pangit to, diba? Hindi ko sinasabing gano'n. Me, personally, I like a chunkier lip applicator, especially to gloss. Like this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Pump, which I really, really love. My sister gave it to me fresh from Abu Dhabi. Char! May ganon. Thank you, ate. So, this is the Fenty lip applicator. Looks like, diba? Chunky siyang tignan. And, ang kagandahan din dito is that isang gamitan lang siya. As in yung, kapag isang ganyan lang, saktong-sakto na siya talaga sa labi ko. Formula-wise, I do love it. I would say this is one of the best lip glosses that I've ever tried here in the Philippines or from a local brand. It's lightweight and it's not sticky at all. Although wala silang kiniklaim na tinted glosses yung iba dito, pero yung may mga color na glosses na available sa Glossy Bossy, the color payoff is really nice. Hindi ko naman ina-expect na full coverage yung color payoff niya. If you have a lip product underneath the gloss, talagang maganda yung color payoff niya. Parang mas doble pa sa ganda yung magiging itsura niya. Hindi siya parang nagta-transfer alternative. Parang, di ba may ibang gloss na kapag kinoclose mo yung lips mo, yung ibang product dito na pupunta dito, which is obvious, pero ito hindi. In terms of color selection, all of them are wearable, perfect for fair to morena skin tone, pero I feel like sa mga kamorena ko dyan, very picky tayo sa mga shades. Iba sa atin gusto ng light, gusto ng iba ng more vibrant. Ako in between, like gusto ko talaga nagko-complement talaga sa akin and sa personality ko and what I'm wearing. If you're going to ask me if ma-recommend ko to sa inyo, absolutely yes. So I'm going to share with you my top 4 shades here. Ito yung mga shades na to na perfect for everyday, day and night, at mababaon ko siya sa makeup kit ko wherever I go. So we have the shades VIP, Chillin, Queen Bee, and Summer. Yung comment ko lang sa Glossy Bossy nila is that I wish they added a cooling effect sa lip glosses nila. That would be so bongga, diba? Like, yun yung mag-a-add ng uniqueness sa lip glosses nila. If you guys are interested with CLISSORA products, they are available at clissorakatt.com and on Lazada app. Also, open po sila for resellers if you guys are interested. And I would like to say thank you again to Miss Nix and Miss Abby for sending the gorgeous PR I've ever received and for still sticking with me as one of their brand ambassadors sa brand nila. And I'm so happy kasi nadagdagan yung family natin, hindi na ako loner. Charot. This is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!